Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I'm going to be talking to you about a drone I bought on Banggood. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Some of you have heard about the website Banggood and how you can get things that are like electronics. Actually, you can get a whole bunch of things, but at discount prices. Yes, you have to wait a very long time for them to arrive. It's very similar to Wish, but you get supposedly really great prices. Now, I've bought on Wish and I love their customer service and I love buying their products because they are inexpensive and you do have to wait a long time, but they have great customer service and they stand behind everything they sell you. Now, let's go to Banggood. I figured it would be just about the same thing and I wanted to get into drones. So I went ahead and made the mistake of making my very first purchase an expensive one. That was an expensive mistake. So what I bought was the drone Fimi X8 Mini, okay? All right, it cost me like almost $400. And first of all, it took about 2 months for it to get here. And then when it got here, I have never been able to fly it. So here's the drone. It is absolutely adorable, really cute, really small. I just was so excited when I got it. Look at this, how cute. Yes, cute, but useless. I can't fly it. I don't know what's wrong with it. But that's not the problem, really. The problem is that when I contacted Banggood so that I could get some assistance, they didn't really respond in a favorable manner because one of the things they said to me was, oh, well, your warranty has expired. Yeah, my warranty expired because it took you guys 2 months to send it to me. And then when I asked them exactly how long of a warranty do I have? 0. Cricket, no response. Okay, now, I wouldn't mind if this was a $10 item, $20 item, but this is like close to $400. I mind. I mind a lot. Now, the other thing that they made me do was make videos. I'm going to show you a link of a video I had to make for them. And they said, send us a video of the problem. And send us pictures of the problem. Yeah, because it wasn't enough to send a video. I also had to send pictures. So I made the video, I sent the pictures, I did a whole bunch of things. I jumped up and down. No, not really, but I did do everything they asked. And it wasn't enough. Every time that I would say, so what do I do? How do I fix it? They would tell me something that didn't make any sense. So I think I had like 12 satellites or something like that. And then they said, you need 13. Now, on Fimi's website, every time they show you how to do something on their tutorials, they show you 12 satellites. So if they're showing you 12 satellites on Fimi's website, why are they telling me I need 13? Okay, so they said change location. So I changed location. I did everything they asked for and it's still in the box. It's not taking off. It's not going anywhere. I said, can I just get somebody to help me like on the phone? Is that possible? Do you have anybody that can call me that I can call? Nope. Send a video. All right, so I mean, not everybody wants to be doing videos for customer service. That's not how it works. What if it's something I'm doing wrong? If they don't have me like on the phone and saying, okay, do this and now press this button and now press that button, it's not going to work. I'm not going to get any help. And then when I go to YouTube, I see everybody talking about the Fimi X8 Mini like, oh, it's the cat's meow. It's so good. It doesn't fly. Doesn't get off the ground. It's not good. It's not. And then, you know, I bought this one because I wanted to save money and not buy the DJI. And that was wrong. I should have bought the DJI. I think it would have been better because there are actual clubs and stores that will train you on the DJI. I don't mind paying a little more money and getting support. But this is still in the box. I can't get it to fly. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. It's not working for me. Costly expense, costly mistake. I'm not using Banggood anymore, for sure. And I don't know, hopefully, I mean, I've tried to ask people who live in my area. I've put it like on Facebook and in drone Facebook clubs and like, do you live in Miami? Do you think you could help me? I mean, I will pay you if you will meet up with me and show me how to fly this thing. Because you know what my options are? Throw it in the trash because I can't return it. So it's either that this is broken or that I don't know how to use it. But either way, it's useless to me in the box. So here's $400, which is equal to trash. Because I can't get any customer service because all they want is for me to send them videos and pictures, which I've done, and I still can't get it to fly. And they say my warranty has expired because they sent it to me. And it took about 2 months to get to me. Yes, so basically, I am not happy with Banggood. Don't buy from them. I'm not happy. If you want to buy from them, go ahead. That's up to you. But if you were like my sister or my brother, I would say, no, don't buy from them. They're no good. And if you want to buy a drone, I can't tell you if this one's good. I mean, I watch Captain Drone. He does great videos on drones, and he says this is really good. But I can't figure out how to get it to fly. So, that's my opinion. You know, do whatever you want to do. But as far as I'm concerned, I am never going to buy anything from Banggood. Okay, I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe. If you know how to get this off the ground and you want to call me and help me, let me know. So I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Bye.